you're gonna, and then you can cast them off into the trees if you want.
Do I just...
Now bring your glove around. Make a fist.
Here it comes. That's heavy, eh?
Yeah, I thought it would be heavier to land. So he weighed 550 grams this morning.
Oh, good.
All right, someone else go next. It's feeling a bit weird.
It's feeling weird. You got some photos of him? Come on. He's like, I hear that rooster.
That rooster's bugging me.
Wow.
What do you think?
Nice.
Yeah? Pursuit of a chicken. That's surprising. So just keep your arm up. Keep your arm up. So what you're going to do, rotate. If you drop your arm, he's going to start climbing up your arm. Oh. Because he's trying to get to somewhere more flat. So keep your arm up straight like a branch. Mimic a tree as much as you can.
Oh,
you're going to bring your glove around.
你再迫使他一次。
And then bring your glove around.
So he has to be rewarded every time?
No. Like a good boy. He gets greedy if you do, but yeah, I do.
Well,
yeah.
Well, he's performing too, right?
Yeah. So just pivot so your glove is between you and him. So bring your glove around. Nope. Bring your glove this way. And then when around, nope. Bring your glove this way. And then when we are out, I do have to watch. You have to watch for wild red tails and bald eagles and stuff.